This is the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. It promises to turn your deadbolt into a fully remote, keyless fortress. But after spending weeks using it in everyday life, there's one thing I discovered that their ads definitely left out. Stick around, I'll tell you whether this thing earns your trust or just your curiosity. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock Product Overview. So, what exactly are we dealing with? The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is made by August Home, now part of Assa Abloy. It first launched in May 2020, and it's their retrofit-style lock that attaches to your existing deadbolt. Its big claim to fame, Wi-Fi built into the lock, no extra hub or bridge required, along with compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit. It's targeted at smart home folks who want remote control of their front door without tearing their hardware apart, whether you're a renter, a homeowner, or someone juggling guest access to your place. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock Performance. Okay, specs and promises are one thing. How's it actually in day-to-day use? In my weeks of testing, the August lock was mostly smooth. Auto unlock triggered reliably when I walked up to the door when Bluetooth and Wi-Fi were cooperating. The app's response time was solid. Tapping Unlock in the August app usually took 1 to 2 seconds to respond. Another real-world friction, battery warnings. Because Wi-Fi draws more juice, you'll see low battery alerts, and depending on how many unlocks and locks you do each day, your battery life might land closer to the low end of the spec range. All that said, it performed more reliably than I expected for a retrofit smart lock. Just don't treat it like magic. It's still smart, not bulletproof. Features and tech. Here are the standout features and why they matter. Built-in Wi-Fi, no hub needed. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock connects directly to your home network, eliminating the need for a separate bridge. That simplifies setup and reduces extra points of failure. Why you care? You can lock and unlock from anywhere in the world as long as your phone and the lock are online. Auto unlock and auto lock, plus DoorSense. The lock supports auto lock. You can choose 30 seconds to 30 minutes delay, and auto unlock by sensing your approach. The DoorSense sensor detects whether your door is actually closed, which helps avoid locking yourself out. Why you care? You don't have to fumble for your phone or keys. The lock handles a lot of the work for you. Guest access and virtual keys. Through the August app, you can create temporary or scheduled digital keys for friends, cleaners, or Airbnb guests. You can revoke them at any time. Why you care? No more hiding spare keys under planters. You control when and how people access your home. Design and build. Aesthetically, August nailed the minimal, functional look. The Wi-Fi version is about 45% smaller than the previous Smart Lock Pro. It's a simple cylinder with a textured turning dial. It's designed to fit over your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door, meaning from the outside, your original key and hardware remain untouched. The materials feel solid, no rattling or flex, but because it's compact, you may need to use the included trim plate if your deadbolt hardware leaves a larger gap. Battery life. One of the more controversial specs here is battery life. August claims up to 3 months with typical use. Because the lock uses 2 CR123 lithium batteries, not AA batteries, you'll want to monitor closely. In my test with moderate use and occasional remote unlocks, I saw battery warnings earlier than the full 3 months, especially when Wi-Fi was active. Users in forums report variability. Some get more, some significantly less. Pros. Integrated Wi-Fi means no extra hub or bridge. Easy retrofit install onto your existing deadbolt. Solid app experience and guest key control. Compact design and smart home integration with Alexa, Google, and HomeKit. Cons. Battery life is volatile, especially with Wi-Fi use. Auto unlock sometimes misses and forces manual override. Keypad is not included. You need to buy separately. No Z-Wave or Thread, not ideal for ultra-connected smart home setups. Final verdict. Look, if you're a renter, a moderately tech-savvy homeowner, or someone who wants to upgrade your front door without tearing it apart, this is one of the most frictionless paths to smart access. The seamless retrofit, solid app control, and guest access flexibility make it a compelling pick for most people. That said, if you're a smart home power user who demands Z-Wave, Thread, or wants ultra-long battery life, you might prefer something else. Also, because it's still a supporting cast in your life rather than the lead actor, you need to accept that it will occasionally make you dig out your phone or keys.